Cow dung that is left to decompose releases gases that cause global warming, that is nitrous dioxide and methane. Instead of letting animal dung decompose, it can be converted into methane biogas.
You have your gas, you are getting the energy for cooking, energy for lighting, and at the same time you are helping the environment, because what comes from the biogas as auxiliary or residues, we use it for garden use.
How is all this possible?
After collecting the whole dung, as you can see on the wheelbarrow, we transport it to the digester, whereby we shall dilute it. We don't put it in so hard like this. Feed it in the digester. Then the process starts from there. This dung is not put direct to the underground tanks. It is diluted with some good clean water, as you can see, basically rainwater. Then after that, the diluted dung will go to the first underground tank. It's an underground tank which is built in an oval form, about 8 feet depth. So this tank has got to be filled to the top. When it is full, it will serve another tank. This one is slightly not deep as this one, but a bit high. This one, when it gets filled up, it will release, meaning that the other tank is full and this one is full. When it is full and it releases this stuff here, it means that the gas is ready.
This will produce many kilowatt hours of electricity that are greatly needed in many rural areas of Uganda.
This is our poultry house where we keep layers from stage 1. That's when we bring them when still young and they grow to full size. This biogas, we use it for lighting, then we also use it for heating. It is so convenient in the first place. Instead of having so many bags of charcoal here, you can see there is nothing other than the stove. 3 weeks ago, we brought 1,000 chicks. Normally, without this biogas, it would take us, it would need at least 40 sacks of charcoal. With this new development, we are going to use at least less than 10 sacks of charcoal. And this is just for a month.
There is a lot of human excreta and waste in Uganda, but why hasn't the biogas technology been successfully adopted as either an energy or an economic strategy?
You see, not only cow dung can be used, we can also use food wastes and any degradable material, organic material. Once it can decompose, we can use it even in grass. The peelings of bananas, potatoes, cassava, we can use them in this system to provide us with the power, the gas that we use to cook. And actually, it is healthier. It saves the one cooking the problem of the smoke within the lungs and then the smoke within the eyes. So it is smoke-free and it gives a healthy environment during the process of cooking.
Biogas technology was introduced in the mid-80s, but for some bizarre reasons, very few Ugandans use this amazing technology. Very few people know about it, leave alone how it works.